I think this might be my last one on this. Always something new and fun to figure out, but let's see. I think I have my palette sort of tipped around in a different way, but I think that's fine. I think I'll start with the ultramarine blue, and yeah, maybe it's not fine. Maybe if I do this, you can see the mixing a little bit easier. Which will be helpful. But trying to get for the ultramarine blue for my last one, this goes pretty dark too, really rich and creamy. And it's a little smaller brush. Actually, I think I was probably using this one last time as well. That's good. I will rinse that color out. Let me show you what I'm thinking for, I kind of messed up this edge, and then, actually that didn't dry quite as dark as I was hoping. As I was hoping. So one thing I could do, and I think I will, is just kind of redefine this shape. And I'll try to coax around a little bit of the paint after I kind of wet everything. So I'm mostly just using the paint that's already here, trying to gently wake it up so it doesn't, if you try to scrub pretty hard, it will, it can streak and whatnot. This may not have been dry enough now that I think about it. I'm not sure if I was just sloppy with my brush stroke or it's still a little bit wet right there. And so it's wanting to, this shape was still just wet enough that some paint was wanting to go there. So if I want this to be perfect, then I'll have the opportunity to fix that in a similar fashion that I just fixed this one. I'm going to refine this edge a little bit here. Sort of even maybe drop in a little bit of darker color with this smaller brush. Especially right there at that edge. That's always kind of fun. There's a natural occurrence, opticals, illusion, that this shape will start looking darker as it approaches, gets close to that one, even if it's literally the same color all the way across. I usually sort of enhance that effect because that's kind of fun. Yeah, I'll have to decide what to do with that after that dries. But for this one, I think for now I'm just going to finish up with some of the phthalo green blue shade. I do have some over here. I know I've been using my plate, and this is probably off camera. But I'm mixing in a nice area, a nice clean area of my palette, which doesn't happen all that often. take advantage of that. And let's see, I can sort of see the my pencil line. Bring in some paint, go get some more. Looks a decent amount darker right now. Hard to know how it's gonna, exactly how it's gonna dry. So that is, I think, the final stage, at least for the video portion of this exercise. I may do a little bit more in class to try to just demonstrate adjusting values. This could probably go a little darker, that could probably go a little darker, and just having fun with really knowing what your colors can do and how intense and dark watercolors can get. Okay.